How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Sick Eric Tech. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Google Pixel Watch. Just got this delivered as well. We're going to go ahead and connect it to the Google Pixel 7 Pro and see exactly how this works. I'm not sure how to connect this. I know you have to have Fitbit. I don't use Fitbit, so I went ahead and downloaded the app, and then we're going to go through the setup process together on the Google Pixel Watch LTE version. Picked this up off of T-Mobile, and pretty good price. So let's go ahead and jump down into it. Before we do, subscribe and be sure to click that bell icon that we get notified on future videos just like the one you're about to watch today. So Google Pixel Watch LTE version. Let's get started, shall we? All right, so let's get started. I'm very excited about this. Now, I did get the gold Hazel color, but upon thinking about it, I should have just got the silver one just to go with the Pixel 7 Pro, silver white, but oh well. Very excited about this device. As you all know, I do have a lot of smartwatches, well, not a lot, but a few. So here it is. You're presented with the Pebble of the Pixel Watch. Let's go ahead and set that aside. You get inside. Let's go ahead and take the watch out. It is presented on this little puck. It looks like a charger, but it's just a foam cardboard to set the watch in. So very nice. Here it is compared to the OnePlus watch. I'll compare it to a couple other watches as well. So a lot of people are saying that it's too small, and personally, I got skinny wrists, so I don't mind it being small. So here's other stuff you get in the box. You get your charger, which is going to be a wireless charger. So that's pretty cool. I wonder if you could charge this on the back of your phone. That would be pretty nice as well. Your charger will go on the bottom. The magnet, a little bit, it could be a little bit stronger, but it'll get the job done. Pretty much charge your Pixel Watch wirelessly, and then we'll test it out, see if we could charge on the back of the device or something. So here it is. Let's go ahead and see if there's any juice to the Pixel Watch, and there we go. You get some other booklets and stuff to pretty much tell you how to set it up. Now, I'm assuming you got to get the Fitbit watch or the Fitbit app. Make sure your phone is running Android. You have to have the Google Pixel Watch app for more info. Now, you can connect this to your Fitbit if you have all of that set up. I do not, so maybe I'll just download the Pixel Watch app on my Pixel 7 Pro. Google Pixel Watch. Let's go ahead and install that. And it is setting up. And that is pretty much all that you get in the box. You get some other warranty stuff, typical things like that. So pretty cool. You also get your band. So if this band is too long, you have a shorter option here. So nice that they give you options for that. Go and jam pack everything back into the box. And let's go and open up the watch. Set up your new watch. So here we are. Let's go and put that up there. Hit continue. Make sure everything is checked. Hit I agree. Alright, so it's doing additional legal terms. Gonna want to accept all of that. Welcome to your new Pixel Watch. Stay connected to your body and your world. Hit next. Put on your watch. So I probably will need to switch out the band. Alright, so Pixel Watch is on. Hit next and figure out which wrist you want to put it on. So I wear my watch on the left hand side. Where is the crown? And then learn how to switch the bands. Open it up, push down right here, and then slide it out. You're gonna push down and then slide like so. And this is the band hardware right here. Pretty interesting. You get your SIM right inside there as well. So this is pretty cool stuff. It looks like some camera type tech right here. So pretty neat. And to slide it back on, pretty easy. Go ahead and do this side again. Just push this button, slide like so, and then you'll hear that button snap right there. So pretty cool, pretty cool. Hit next, attach your band, blah blah blah. All right, connect your Fitbit account. After setting up your watch, open up the Fitbit mobile app. I don't have that, so while that's connecting, taking a sec, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the watch. You get your crown right there. You get your button, which is going to be your app button, and then your menu button over here. So I got the gold color like I said, and here is the back. Water resistance 50 meters, heart rate sensor, stainless steel case, Google, and this is going to be all your sensors right here as well. So very nice. Sort of looks like a Apple Watch, Google's version of an Apple Watch. Your speaker and your mic right there, along with your bands. So the bands are definitely high quality silicone. This is the long one. Shorter one is in the box. So we're gonna hit next. Agree. Google Assistant is set up. You're almost done. Set a lock on your watch. On your watch, set a pin to keep it secure and enable device protection. Your watch will automatically lock when you take it off. Let's go ahead and try a pin. I don't have any pins on my watches. All right. Google Wallet. We're gonna go ahead and skip all of this stuff. I'll add that later. Install on your devices. Recommended apps for watches. Let's go ahead and select installed and then go through all this other stuff right here. I'll set up all the apps later. I just want to take a look at the watch and the interface. So the watch actually definitely a lot smaller than most people will probably prefer, but like I said, I don't mind. Alright, so here's the watch, Pixel Watch compared to the OnePlus watch. You can see definitely a lot smaller, a lot thicker. Here it is against the Galaxy Watch 3. Definitely a lot smaller. Galaxy Watch being a little bit thicker. Here it is against the Galaxy Watch Active, which is more along the same size as this one. So I'm used to it. I definitely like the size of the Active. Definitely a lot thicker. And finally, the old boy, Gear S2, because it is precious and it still works. Galaxy Gear S2. Yes, this thing still works. All right, it is off. Hi there. Swipe up. notifications, swipe down for your quick tiles, and then you could also use the crown to navigate your watch as well. So that's pretty cool, sort of like Apple. Go into your messages, view SOS, start a chat. Then you also got your current messages on there. As far as chatting, it's going to be weird as far as the keyboard. I'm interested to see exactly how the keyboard looks. And I will set up Fitbit on here a little later. Right now, I just mainly want to go on over the watch faces, see exactly how many watch faces you get. So let's go into watch faces, add new watch face. So these are all the faces on here. You get big time, which I kind of like. Let's go ahead and go into concentric. And you could also change the colors of everything, so that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and keep it on red. And you could also change the layout. Half dial, slot 1 empty, long press to get to your watches. You could also do that on your watch as well, and that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and see exactly how many are on here. You get your everyday, concentric, radial, track, pilot, bold, big time, big time, big time. You get all your concentrics, which are going to be the ones that you added on here and customized. As you can see, I have a few. And then you also add a new one. Let's go ahead and pick that one. You get everyday, index, Pacific, ink, pilot, pilot bold. You get the prime, radial, shapes, track, utility, and vista. So hopefully we are able to add some more on here in the future. You get all your notification stuff on here for you to get notified on your watch, Play Store information, Google, watch preferences, display, and gestures. You could do everything on your display, have your always on display on the app as well. Tilt to wake, touch to wake. You get your security, safety, general, watch orientation, left or right handed. You get your accessibility, your system. This is where you're going to want to update your watch, your mobile network stuff on here on the app as well. You could do your quick tiles on here and add and edit, manage your quick tiles. So very, very cool on that front. It is telling me that I have a system update, connect Fitbit account, which I will do later. But as far as now goes, that is pretty much it with the Pixel Watch. Definitely going to enjoy using this. I will do a follow-up video on how it's doing and as far as battery life has been on the Google Pixel Watch. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down, and I will see you next time. Peace.